everybody, this is Shake-Line.com. Welcome to Shake-Line.com. Today we're gonna prepare the Breeze. Amazing cocktail, it's the one I will order at the pool. Refreshing, simple, fruity, you know, and it's like just laying on the beach or at the pool and really enjoying it. So for the drink of the day, the Breeze, we're gonna use vodka, cranberry, and pineapple juice. As a decoration garnish, we're gonna use some orange slices and maraschino cherries. Yeah, and of course the toothpicks. We're gonna start pouring ice on the glass. We're just gonna make it full, really easy, no big trouble. And so we just make it full with ice. Then we take our shaker. We pour 4 centiliters of vodka. See, now it's melt a little bit. And now the funny part. We're gonna just pour cranberry till the middle. It's really easy. Fruity, as I said, and it's not so strong in alcohol. Yeah, the big trick to make an amazing look, it's gonna be pouring the pineapple juice in a slow way. We do this putting against the ice, not touching it, but slow. So we can have this combination of colors that looks really, really good and super tasty. Believe me, it's something you're gonna like and the people around you are gonna love. So this is almost done, our cocktail. Now what we have to do, the decoration. So for this, we're gonna have a slice of orange. We take our thumbs, we put everything a little bit closer. We take our thumbs, 1 toothpick, yeah, we pinch 1 and the second cherry. After we have this, with the thumbs we take the orange and from the side we pinch it again. Now that it's done, we lay it down a little bit. We take our knife, we make a small slice so we can put it on the rim. And now we can place it in our glass. And that's it. It looks really good. It's really tasty. Guys, cheers, enjoy. I'm going to the pool. See you.